Hello friends, this is electric vehicle battery. This battery voltage is 72 volt 40 ampere hour. In this battery, the vehicle is getting off in the middle when accelerator is given. The battery is getting off in when accelerator is given. I open this all the battery, and this is BMS, battery management system. In this battery, the BMS is connected to the 10 parallel circuits are there, and these are all the circuits. The battery is connected in series and parallel. We can get 72 volt. I seen these voltages. The two set of cells are getting showing low voltage. These 14 into 10 series combination में this is connected. Totally it is having a 280 cells, and two set of cells is showing very low voltage. In this type of batteries, there are several complaints are there. The BMS complaint is there, and the set of cells is to be complaint, and all the batteries are getting low, and we can check the battery by the equalizer. Then we getting what is the complaint in the battery set. I seen in this set there are two sets of batteries showing very low voltage, and also this battery is running about 40,000 kilometers in his lifetime. I think it is the battery is already worn out, or already it is decreased its current. The total current is very low, and when we put it in charging, the some sets of battery getting voltage in the charging, then the charger is going to protection mode, because the voltage of the cell are showing high voltage. The low voltage cells are not get charged. In this type of complaint, the battery is giving less performance, and when we given the load by the accelerator, the vehicle gets switch off in that position. Okay, we put it in the equalizer balancer. Then we seen the which the battery is complaint. Then we getting correct what is the complaint in the battery set. Okay, in this battery the balancer is connected to the sockets of these only batteries. We put it in the balancer circuit that is showing which battery set is low and which battery is IR leakage voltage. IR is equal to voltage. What is the voltage drop in the battery? We must seen in this set. Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Please share the video to your friends. I put next video. The complaint is to be placed and how to recognize the balancer in the circuit. Thank you.